Hello. Create your own talking AI avatar. Also use incredible AI to copyright and convert text to amazing speech.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, AI tool, which will help us generate videos, talking avatars, text-to-speech, and copywriting. Create your free account using your email ID once your account. You can see this website offers us free video creation, free copywriting, and free picture creation for the purposes of the video. Well, first go to the video creation tab. These various options available to select your avatar here. They are divided by their origin US and Europe, Asian JP, and KR Southeast Asian India, Middle East, so on. Let's go down and maybe just select this avatar. This is the preview. Avatar is selected if you come here on the right side. If you click on this drop down here, you can select the various language. You can come here and select the tone of the character, select the language style. It allows us to select these various styles. Tone of the character, select the language style. It allows us to select these various styles available. You can write the text. Another amazing thing about this website is it also has this AI copywriting tool. Just click on this, and as you can see here, you can write the keywords and this website will generate your script. Click on generate video here. It gives you the estimated time and come back in a short while to the My Project page. Click on the AI tool tab, come here and click on copywriting, then come here and click on copywriting, then click on AI marketing copy generation. Then you will see this interface. Come here and select the language, select English, type your keywords like marketing here. You can write the description, write a short paragraph explaining the benefits of AI. Further down, you can select the number of characters. Let's stick to 100 and click on Generate Copy. And as you can see here, the AI tool is started generating the copy as per my desire and my instructions AI. They are giving you about 3 options as you can see, and then you can choose the one you like. Click on Copy and Paste. Click on AI text to dubbing. Then you can see this interface. This allows you to select the language here. You can select the voice. Once again, you can use your AI copywriting tool, or you can type your own text, paste the text created from the previous AI copywriting tool about marketing, and here you have the option to increase the interval between the sentences or the words. And you can just click on confirm or at first, so you can click on the audition button to hear the voice and test.
Marketing is constantly evolving, and one major game changer is the use of artificial intelligence AI. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to support my work. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Bye.